Hello, everyone! Welcome back to English with Amy and Jake. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome. Today's lesson is very practical. We are going to practice English in daily life at the grocery store.
You will learn real English phrases you can use when you go shopping in the United States or any English-speaking country.
And don't worry, we will speak slowly, clearly, and repeat everything. This is perfect for A1 beginners.
If this lesson helps you, please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow and helps more learners find us.
All right, let's go shopping together.
Imagine you arrive at the grocery store. First, you can say, I am at the grocery store.
Yes, very simple. You can also say, I need food. I need groceries.
Repeat after me. I need groceries.
Good job. Now, when you enter, you will see signs like fruits, vegetables, meat, drinks.
Very important question. Where are the fruits?
Yes, or you can say, where is the milk? Where is the bread?
Let's repeat. Where is the milk?
Nice. And people may answer, aisle 3. That means the section in the store.
Good job! You are learning real English step by step.
Now you are in front of food. You can say, I want this. I need this.
Very useful. Example. I want this apple. I need this milk.
Repeat after me. I want this.
Great. Now say it again. I need this.
Perfect. Repetition helps your memory.
Sometimes you need help in the store. You can say, Excuse me, can you help me?
Very polite English. You can also ask, Excuse me, where is sugar? Excuse me, where is rice?
Let's practice. Can you help me?
Excellent. That sounds very natural.
You are doing great. Keep going.
Now you are at the cashier. Very important moment. You can ask, How much is this?
Yes, and the cashier will tell you the price. You can respond, Okay, thank you.
You can also say, I will pay by card. I will pay with cash.
Repeat after me. I will pay by card.
Perfect. Very useful real-life English.
Hello, excuse me. How much is this bread?
It is $2.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Excellent. That is a real American grocery store conversation.
Now let's practice again. Listen and repeat in your mind.
Where is the milk? I want this. Can you help me? How much is this? I will pay by card.
Good job. Repetition is very important. Say it many times. Don't worry about mistakes.
You are improving already. Keep going.
Let's imagine real situations. Situation 1. You are hungry. I need food. I want bread.
Situation 2. You cannot find something. Excuse me, where is water?
Situation 3. You are at checkout. How much is this? I will pay with cash.
Very good. These are real daily phrases.
Let's review everything slowly. Where is the milk? I want this. Can you help me? How much is this? I will pay by card.
Amazing work today. You are speaking real English now.
Even if you are a beginner, you are improving every day.
Small steps equals big progress.
Before we go, we have a fun question for you. What is the first thing you buy when you go to the grocery store?
Tell us in the comments. We really want to know.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily English practice.
You are doing amazing. Keep learning every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.